everyone, my name is Gayatri and welcome to my channel Cakes Love Company. It's December and that means you must be putting up your Christmas tree. So today I decided through the medium of whipped cream, let's learn how to make this Christmas tree. To begin, you can buy any whipped top or whipping cream that is available near you. These come frozen, so make sure to defrost before you use and make sure there are no ice particles left when you're ready to use this. You just need to put it in your stand mixer. And over here, I'm putting a timer so that we can observe how long it takes. You could even do this with a hand mixer. It might take double the time of a stand mixer. Over here, the stand mixer has taken 5.5 minutes roughly to do this. So you can expect with a hand mixer it would take around 10 minutes. These creams are so luscious and so beautiful and easy to use, so I hope you definitely try this. We're going to color this now, little color at a time, so that you do not overmix and overcolor this. If at any point your cream looks a little dry to you, add a little bit of the defrosted melted cream and bring this together. It's as simple as that and a great tip to remember. Now to prep the piping bag, just put your piping tip through the piping bag and cut off the top. We will now make a collar for the piping bag so that it's a non-messy affair when we fill the bag. You could even use a big glass to hold the piping bag with the collar so it makes it easier for you while filling the bag. I'm using my whole wheat cake recipe here, so do check out my channel for the whole recipe and I hope you do make it. I'm prepping the cake with vanilla milk and coffee milk before we frost it. Frosting with whipped cream is a lot of fun, and if you practice regular, it becomes very easy. When you're decorating your cake, this is an easy way of using whipped cream to decorate all your cakes. Your piping bag is at 90 degrees and you're making small circles to make sure that this cake has this beautiful uniform finish. I'm using different colors of cream here to decorate different trees and using some gems, some sprinkles and some fondant to decorate these cakes. When you're using fondant on whipped cream, make sure you coat it with chocolate at the back where the cream touches the fondant. I hope you enjoyed this video and making these Christmas trees with me. Do like, share and subscribe. I look forward to hearing from you in the comments section. A lot more Christmas content coming up for December, so stay tuned. See you.